In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this pattern where you put the letter H on every single face on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we just need an algorithm, and the algorithm is R2, D2, F2, R2, L2, F2, U2, R2. Let's do that then. We go R2, D2, F2, R2, L2, F2, U2, R2. And that gives us this H pattern on all of the faces. So to undo this pattern and put us back to a completed Rubik's Cube, you can start from any face so long as the H is vertical, so it's not like that. As long as it's showing a letter H, and just repeat the same algorithm. Let's do that then. We go R2, D2, F2, R2, L2, F2, U2, R2. And that puts us back to a completed Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos, and also if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.